Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Highlander maintenance light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that the odometer reading is visible on your dashboard's information display. If a different reading is shown, simply press the display button on your dashboard until the odometer appears. This is the crucial first step to begin the reset process. Now turn the ignition completely off. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While still holding this button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds. You will see a series of dashes appear on the display, indicating the reset is in progress. This sequence confirms you are on the right track. Keep holding the trip meter reset button until the dashes on the display vanish. After the dashes disappear, the odometer will show 00000, confirming the reset is complete. Once you see this, you can release the trip meter reset button. Your maintenance light should now be off, and the system is ready to track your next service interval. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. Finally, start your Toyota Highlander's engine to confirm that the maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If for any reason the light remains on, simply repeat these steps from the beginning, ensuring you follow each instruction precisely. Sometimes it takes a second attempt to get it right. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.